Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to talk today about the breakout in oil prices. We've obviously seen a big run in gold, silver, platinum, and some other commodities, natural gas having a pump and a sell-off. And I've spoken for a couple of months how I felt that oil was, as far as the major commodities go, the most relatively underpriced, and it was in the process of breaking out. We're looking at Brent. The Brent chart at the moment, this is a daily oil chart. So each candle represents 1 day of trading activity. So this goes back to the high from June last year, 2025. The first place I draw the line is here. We're capturing a lot of the downtrend. We can see the downtrend was intact. It attempted a breakout, failed. Once it broke out, it returned to the scene of the crime many times to test the breakout. And then the final low there, a little bit of a capitulation. And at the same time that was happening, the momentum indicators, as the price of oil was making lower lows, momentum indicators flattening or making higher lows, which is a sign that the downtrend is losing momentum and a shift is potentially coming. A more conservative way to draw that would be to say, okay, like ignore this big spike high and we capture more of the downtrend. If we draw the line like that, we can see lots of touches, lots of respects that part of the trading activity as well. So I think when you draw these lines, you want to try and capture as many touches of a trend as possible to make the trend more valid. So we can see clearly there's been a breakout there now. And then key previous price levels are probably the most important. You can see pretty key price level around the $65, $66 level. If we draw a horizontal line across there, we can see many touches, respective support. It broke down, it returned to test, it trended lower. It rallied back, touched the line, and now in the last day or two, we're seeing a breakout above that sort of trend. So even there's no sort of way you can draw that line now to say that it's currently in a downtrend. It's clearly breaking a downtrend, trying to move higher. And if we move across to the crude chart, I've just got another minute on this short video. We can see I've drawn a very similar trend on the crude, light crude, which is the I guess the Texas oil price, which is a significant price. We can see again the same dynamics, price making lower low, momentum indicators making higher lows, so that's positive divergence, a sign that the downtrend is ending. We can see it was a bit of a falling wedge pattern. I've drawn some dotted lines there. Again, the horizontal level on crude is about 61.50. We've broken all those levels. It's making a high today. So clearly oil it's breaking out, a breakout clearly the downtrend has ended, but just because the current downtrend has come to an end does not mean it's just going to skyrocket like silver or some of the other commodities we've seen. So, but clearly looking more positive, it's looking like oil is long-term very underpriced and it's at least broken a downtrend and attempting to form a new uptrend. Cheers.